This is a veneered walnut table purchased from Marshal Fields here in Chicago, Illinois, some 15 or more years ago. And I brought it in. There's some damage on one of the carved legs from a curious animal doing some gnawing, as you can see. Then there are plugs from the original manufacturer. Now I'm letting the overhead 5000K light take the image and show you where the plugs are. This is a seam here of the veneer. This is a walnut veneer, rather nice, and the outside ring is maybe mahogany, different wood. So we have some seam lines here, some scratches. You can follow my fingertips, and there's numerous plugs that have lifted over the years. So what I'm going to do, here's another one, and the worst damage here is from water. Someone left some water overnight and it penetrated the veneer at the seam lines, and away we go. So most of it has plugs here. I'd say there's 30 plugs. So I'll sand it down. Oh, by the way, the bottom leg portion has the same veneer of walnut cut into 6 pieces there. So what I'll do is sand it down and get rid of the high spots where the plugs have lifted, and then fill these low spot areas, and then come back and resand it and end up with a finish that will take to some adhesive. I'm going to put a walnut figured veneer on top and fix the chipping on the one leg, and that should do it. I'll probably give it 3 or 4 coats of clear after I've prepared the new veneered top. I originally had plans to put this in a membrane press, but the legs are glued to the tabletop in such a way I think I might fracture the legs if I try to remove that. And I'm not going to refinish or do anything with the edging here. We'll let that stand. I think this is again mahogany, whereas this is this might be mahogany also on the edge here. So just wanted to show that to you. Part 2 will be a little short video of the 4 by 8 foot piece of veneer that I bought today. Now it has backing, so I'll be using PVA as the adhesive and not rubber cement with a high solids content that usually is put with veneers such as this. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.